What is passion and why is it so important to your presentation? Passion is defined as a strong and barely controlled emotion. When was the last time you saw somebody giving a speech or a presentation or a pitch with barely controlled emotion? It's a word that I think has become misappropriated somewhat because it's now a bit of a business buzzword. We're often told we have to have passion, we have to bring passion. In fact, our whole business should be based around our passion. If you can turn your passion into a business, you'll never work a day in your life and all that sort of jazz. Personally, I think passion is absolutely vital to a presentation, but I think it is a word that is overused. And in fact, if you have to tell me you're passionate, you're probably not. You need to bring passion to every presentation, because if you're not passionate for your topic, why the hell should your audience be passionate about it? If your audience gets even a whiff that you are bored or uncertain or phoning it in, shall we say, they'll switch off. Audiences can spot false passion or contrived passion really fast. And in the next videos, we're going to look at how you bring passion to your presentations. But as I said a moment ago, if you have to tell me you're passionate, you're probably not. Passion should be there in the words you choose, the way you put them across, the way you hold your body, the way you walk onto the stage, the clothes you wear. Passion should be innate. It's not something you just switch on and now I'm going to be passionate. It's something that should be there right from the offset. Yes, you can hone it. Yes, you can bring it. You can turn it up. And as I say, we're going to discuss those in the forthcoming videos. But you've also got to make sure you are genuinely passionate about your topic. Because if you're not, why should I be? Like and subscribe if you want to know more about how to bring passion to your presentations.